Lorenzo the Pizza-Loving Lobster by Lordon. Lorenzo was an adventurous lobster who loved discovering new foods and exploring fun places. One day, as he was walking on the beach, he came across a seagull eating from a paper plate. "What's that?" asked Lorenzo. "It smells amazing." "This is called pizza. Would you like to try some?" the seagull asked. Lorenzo took a small bite, pausing to taste the flavors. Then he had a big bite. "Pizza? This is so tasty!" Lorenzo ate the rest of the delicious pizza and treasured every bite. He thanked the seagulls and rushed home to tell his friends. "Kalena, you'll never believe the fantastic food I just ate. It's called pizza." "Pizza?" "It's shaped like a triangle and the crispy and chewy at the same time. It's salty, tangy, and full of flavor too." "Sounds great. I'm starving. Let's make one." So they went to Lorenzo's house to make a pizza. The friends started collecting items to make the pizza. "What's in it?" I don't really remember." "I have an idea. Seaweed cake and kelp paste." "Perfect. Then there was something stringy on top of that." "Eelgrass. It's extra salty." "Of course." "Anything else?" "There were round things on the top too. Maybe sand dollars?" "Sounds delicious." Lorenzo and Kalena put their pizza creation in the oven. Ding! This isn't quite right. Kalena slowly chewed on her piece. Maybe it had kelp dough, squid ink, algae, and coral rings. Let's try that. Ding! This isn't right either. This tastes icky, and the algae is stuck in my teeth. I remember now. It was sponge patties, jellyfish jelly, seaweed noodles, and seashells. Are you sure? Ding! Kalena took a small bite. Ew, Lorenzo, this is so gross. Lorenzo became very sad. I guess I don't remember the ingredients. I wish we could make pizza together. A very hungry Kalena left Lorenzo's house. She was upset with the awful food Lorenzo fed her. Pizza must be really bad, she thought. As she headed home in search of lunch, something caught her attention. What is that wonderful smell? I'd like one of those round foods you have. Here you go. Thank you. This is delicious. It's so chewy and salty and... Wait a minute. Could this be the pizza Lorenzo told me about? But why is it a circle? It's so yummy. I really want to eat it all. But then again, Lorenzo tried really hard to make me a pizza. He was so sad when I left. Kalena returned to find Lorenzo moping in his backyard. Hey Lorenzo, look what I found. Lorenzo looked at the food and took a bite. Holy anchovy! This is exactly like the pizza I had earlier, but this time it's big and round. Lorenzo and Kalena happily ate the pizza together. Let's make pizza with the correct ingredients. It's so tasty, I want more. The two friends closely studied the pizza and had a big pizza party with all their friends. For Mom and Dad, thanks to all their support for teaching me how to make pizza. The end.